Find out what is happening at the library, from virtual programming to fun new services. Hear recommendations on books, movies, TV shows, and so much more. This is In the Stacks at Mustang Library.
Hi everyone, welcome to Scottsdale Public Library. Today we're going to do another craft project, and it's another book folding project. Yay! Today we're going to be doing this Tom Turkey, and it's really simple. It just takes one book and some book pages. Couple folds, couple twists, some squirts from the hot glue gun, and you're done. So stay tuned, I'll show you how to do it. So step one is we're going to go ahead and take our hardbound book, and we do want to use the hardbound one because we want a flat surface when it's going to be like this. So we're going to take our hardbound book and we're just going to measure halfway across this way. And basically we're going to draw a line, and then we're going to cut half of the book out. Take our cutting tool and we're just going to cut down this way through all the pages and then cut close to the spine. And that's how you will do it. It may take a little while to get through all the pages of the book, and that's where the sharper your tool is, the better. It'll go quicker. And we're going to do this for all the pages in the book. Okay, so once you're finished cutting half of the book out, it's going to look something like this. And don't worry if it looks messy in here, because all this is going to be covered up with the feathers. So the next step is to fold the pages. So with each page, you're going to start at the top of the book, and you're going to fold down into a triangle until it meets the middle where you cut it out. And you're going to do this for each page in the book. And this is basically going to be the top half of your turkey. So this is what it looks like when we get done doing all of the folds. Okay, so the next thing we're going to work on is the feathers of our turkey. So what I did is I took some pages out of a book, and this is probably easier if you use a paperback book for this. So with your page, what you want to do is you want to grab the top corner. You kind of want to fold it down toward the middle like this and twist it. And you're just going to wrap it around. And what you're shooting for is a V like this up near the top. Then when you get done, you're just going to tape it like that. And you're going to need a lot of these. So get ready to make a lot of feathers. The more feathers you have, the fuller your turkey will look. And it gets easier as you do them. Okay, so we have started to glue our feathers onto the back of the turkey. And basically we're just going to do row after row. You just basically want to put some glue on the top. And we've just been lining them up, and then you just have to hold it there for a few seconds until the glue has a chance to set. And obviously the more feathers you use, the fuller your Tom Turkey is going to look. But it's already starting to come together, and the space in between the pages is kind of correcting itself quite nicely. watch your fingers when you're using the hot glue. It'll sneak up on you. The closer together you put your feathers, the fuller it'll look. So don't skimp on the feathers. Okay, so we're going to finish this part up. Give it a couple more, and then we'll start on row 2. And we'll come back and check in with you later. Okay, so this is our first row, looking at the turkey from the back. And if I turn it around, it is slowly starting to take shape. So we're going to make some more feathers, and we're going to give them about 2 more rows in the back, make it really full, because we basically want to cover up this whole back end. You don't want to see any of the back of the book. So I'm figuring about 2 or 3 more rows. So stay tuned. Okay, so as you can see, I made quite a few more cones as the feathers. So we're going to go ahead and get started and see if we can finish this old Tom turkey up. So this is what our finished product looks like, and as you can see, we'll just turn it around so you can kind of see the back of the turkey. And it did take quite a few little feathers, but it doesn't take very long to fold them. And of course, using the hot glue gun goes very quickly. Okay, so there is a link to this printable page for the turkey head at the bottom of this posting. So make sure you follow that. Go ahead and print it out on regular paper, or you could use cardstock paper to make it a little bit more firmer. And what you want to do is fold it in half and then glue it together and then cut it out. And then when you get done, you want to leave a little tail in when you cut the head out. So you want it to look like this, because you're just going to basically slide this into the book. So there is our turkey. And I think he turned out pretty well. So hopefully he'll make it through Thanksgiving in one piece. And like with all our book folding projects or any crafts, if you do make this, we would love to see your finished photos on our Facebook page. So happy Thanksgiving. Have a great holiday, everyone. Stay well.